everyone's closet. So I have filmed a beginner drugstore tutorial that we are sheltered in place, and there is no better time to learn how to do your makeup than now. So when we are able to go outside and you're ready to go to brunch and you're ready to go to church and you're ready to go on your hot date, you know how to do your makeup. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. So the first step is going to be our brows. I personally like to start with my brow. No makeup artist, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that out there. There's just certain things that I specifically like to do first. Some people like to do their brows last or in the middle of their makeup routine. That's totally up to you. Start by brushing your brows. I like to brush them upward, and then bring them down toward the end of my brow. So up and then down in the corner. Same thing with the other side. I'm gonna brush them up and then in this corner down here. I like to outline my brows on the bottom, just gently line the bottom and then the top and then fill them in. So let's go ahead and do that. Is we're gonna go ahead and take our concealer. I have LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I normally either use Cool Tan or Warm Honey. We're just gonna go ahead and clean underneath our eyebrows and on top just to give it a little sharp look. Take an E.L.F smudge brush. You can also get this from Target. I'm pretty sure a lot of the products that I purchased at Target can be purchased at Walmart as well if that's closer to you or more convenient. And then we're just gonna go ahead and clean underneath. And we're gonna bring the concealer down and then swipe across. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. The next step is we're going to go in with our primer. I have the E.L.F Mineral Infused Face Primer. 3 small pumps. And then we're going to go ahead and place it. I like to place primer all over my face because I have oily skin. And then it just lays the foundation on smoother. I'm just going to go ahead and place it specifically in my T-zone as well. And then just kind of bring it out. Next, we're going to go in with the matte Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I like Live by this foundation, you guys. And then I have here my Real Technique brush. This is the Expert Face Brush. And we're just gonna go ahead and a little on there and then distribute on your face. Just go ahead and brush it out. To get close by your ear, and please don't forget to get underneath your chin. I cannot stress that enough. I have a Real Techniques beauty blender. This beauty blender is really good, one of my favorites. It's damp as well. We're just gonna go ahead and just press the foundation into the skin. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer. Concealer is normally 1 shade or 2 lighter than your foundation. Some people push it and go 3, just depending on the look that you wanna get. Personally, I think this is 2 shades lighter Then my foundation, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium. I got it in honey. We're gonna go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes, Cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. This concealer is so creamy, you guys. I really like this concealer. Second time trying it out. I bought it a while ago and never really consistently used it, but I do like this concealer. Same beauty blender, and just go ahead and blend it out. Take your time. Blending is key. Blend it out. So our next step is going to be contour, and we're gonna go ahead and take the same concealer, just a darker color. So this one is in 57 Walnut. It's the same Maybelline Fit Me, and we're gonna go ahead and contour. Contouring your nose can be very tricky. Personally, for me, I already have a small nose. A lot of people like to contour to make their nose look smaller, but I like to bring a little color to my nose because of the concealer that I put. So normally I just put a little bit on the sides. I don't really go all the way in shape, and it's just literally. Go ahead and do is we're gonna grab another Real Technique brush, 217. This is the Expert Edge Large brush, and we're gonna go ahead and just go in circular motions. We're gonna bring it down, and then we're gonna bring it back up. And then circular motions for your forehead. Just gonna line the nose and go ahead and just smoothing that out. And then you're gonna go back in with your beauty blender and blend it. Grab our concealer again. Make sure our nose has that highlight just right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and sharpen up a little bit on the side. Sharpen that contour. And then because we use the beauty blender to blend out the concealer, you can use the beauty blender too. Just squeeze it in. Now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Airspun and set our concealer. Wherever you put concealer, you always wanna set. And that's what we're gonna do. And set our cream contour that we put on the side with a little bronzer. Well, it's actually powder. I got it in 360 Mocha. This works for me. And then we're gonna go ahead and take another Real Technique brush. The multitask brush. It's very fluffy, very soft, very convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and just swirl in there, dust off the excess, and bronze the face, honey. Bring the color back. Bring the color back. gently, very, very gentle. Take a creasing brush and just do a little bit on our nails. Nothing too crazy. And then our next step is we're gonna add a little blush. I have a Real Techniques blush brush. This is in the number 400. Next, we're gonna go in with Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten, 200 Molten. Guys, look at this, it's so beautiful. And I have a fan brush here. We're just gonna go ahead and just put it on our brush and highlight our cheeks. Lash Discovery Mascara. I like this one because the brush is thin. And my eyelashes are like really short. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to pull these babies out. And we're only gonna do the top. And the reason why I only do the top first is because when I set my face, I don't want the bottom to smear. Okay, so I went ahead and popped my lashes on off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX Butter Gloss in Bit of Honey. Love their butter gloss, and apply that on my lips. And now we're gonna go ahead and set. I like to use matte finish spray. I love a matte look because my skin does get oily, so it eventually will look dewy after a couple of hours. This is the spray here. Last step here is going to be pull those bottom lashes out. And there we have it. Thanks for tuning in to Caitlin's Closet. I truly enjoyed showing you guys how I personally do my makeup. I hope it is beginner steps for you and something that you can follow. If you do have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.